Hey everybody, it's Maria. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great today. Today's video is going to be a unboxing of some sort of two more products that I got from the Walmart Beauties gift giving Christmas section. I went back there yesterday after I got off work, and I'm trying not to go back there and get any more. But yeah, I found some awesome things there, and I did check out some more stuff. And I don't know, for some reason I got home and I was like, dang, why didn't I get the couple of things I almost bought? But I was trying to keep myself on a little budget here. Not that it really mattered, you know. But I was trying to get home because, you know, well, I was tired. But anyway, if you haven't checked out one of my latest videos, I posted a video on some awesome $5 eyeshadow palettes that were there. And I did go back to see if they still had them. They were gone. They are HBA dupes that I later found out. So I'll try to figure a way to post a link to that video in the description. That way you can go check that video out. That video, you know, I was surprised how pigmented those shadows was. So one of the items I picked up was from the same brand. The other one was just some makeup brushes that I really wanted to try. So let me get into this now. I did kind of undo everything because they were in there stuck with that heavy duty, you know, that clear putty or whatever. So I figured I'd just go ahead and, you know, show you what all comes in this brush set. And then after I get through recording this video, I'm going to do a try on with these products. So stay tuned for that video. I decided to give you guys another bonus video this week. I hope you guys don't mind. You know, I was just excited to share this. So let's get into the brushes. This is a 13-piece ultimate brush collection. It's from, I'm trying to find the name, Luminous Silk, and this was $10 for the whole thing. And you get a powder brush, an angled contour brush, a foundation brush, a tapered brush, an all-over lid eyeshadow brush, an eyelash curler, blending brush for eyes, eyeliner brush, angled brow brush, a beauty sponge, tweezers, and 2 makeup puffs. So I thought this was a really great deal. And when I was taking them out of the packaging, they felt pretty soft. So I got that. And I also picked up from the same brand of those eyeshadows, W7. They had these little kits there. And this was one of them. This was also $10. This is In Your Dreams kit, and you can. It looks like this. You get the eyeshadow palette, the lip gloss, black eyeliner, and a lip liner. So that's pretty good. Not bad for $10. So let's go ahead and get into the brushes, and then we'll swatch the eyeshadows. But yeah, here are these. I love the packaging. Anything with this kind of color scheme, I'm down for. Now, I did grab me a coffee cup out of the kitchen just so I'll have a place to put the brushes. And going back to that putty. So, I am definitely going to save this box. I hope my husband doesn't kill me, but he knows I like stuff like that. Okay, so, and I guess I didn't get it completely off. Here are the tweezers. They look like this. Can't wait to try those out. What girl doesn't need, you know, you can never have enough tweezers. And then I guess you get this awesome eyelash curler. Now, one of my favorite ones has been from e.l.f. It's got the pink sparkly. It's not coming off sparkly, but it's like that. It didn't have a guard on there like they sometimes come with. So that's awesome. Let's set this right here. And then let me show you the brushes. I'm just going to keep my glasses off. I've got bifocals on my glasses in case you're new to my channel. But they're not the correct prescription. So, okay. So this one is the foundation brush. I'm super excited about trying this. These are really, really soft. They remind me of some of the Dollar Tree ones I've been hauling. I'm super excited about trying that. I'm going to say super excited. And then this one is the tapered brush, and it says you can use it for under the eyes. I know some people, they'll use this for just different things like foundations. Now, I will notice there's hair coming out already on those, so that's not good. I didn't see anything come out of this one. So hopefully that'll be the only one that does that, but I'm still going to try to make it work. Now that's going to be a deal breaker if they do, but you know. This is the angled contour brush. I have several brushes, but I figured why not get another one. Yeah, I'm checking the hairs on this one. But that might have been from me trying to get it out of the packaging. Set our glasses down here. And then this is the powder brush. Pretty good in size. One little hair, but yeah, these are really, really pretty. And then now you do get a beauty sponge. I haven't, you know, tried to wet it, but it does say to, you know, get it in the water and it'll expand like the beauty blender. Now these now I didn't take these out like a, okay, I'll just show you one and then I'll get the other one off camera. These are what these look like. I'm gonna take that little thing off. So I'm super excited about these. You get 2 of them. Okay, I paused the video to get the other one out. I had to grab my sewing scissors, but this is what they look like. They feel really soft. I'm excited to try these. Now let me show you the eyeshadow brushes. I'm also very excited about trying these. This is the angled brow brush, but I would figure you might could use it for whatever, you know. Just realized I didn't have it in frame. This is the eyeliner brush. Sometimes I use the angled brush for that too. And then here are the 2 eyeshadow brushes. This one is the one that's the all over lid brush, and this one is the blending brush. So this is the blending brush here, and this is the all over brush. So get in the frame. There you go. They look like they're well made. So hopefully they do the job without shedding. We'll see. So, okay, that's the brushes and so forth. I'm going to put all these in my little coffee cup that I just, like I said, I grabbed. Okay, let's get on with this eyeshadow palette. I did not swatch it pre-hand. I figured we'd swatch it together. Looks like this. I've never heard of this brand, honestly, until I bought those eyeshadow palettes before that I had mentioned. I did get the wrapping around this because we ain't got time for that. And eyeliner. Now this black eyeliner is just your basic black eyeliner. It says King Cole. And I can't really read any of that. But it looks like this. I'll just do a little swatcheroo. Ooh. I don't wear a lot of black eyeliner, but it's nice to have a little black eyeliner. That went on better than some of the other ones I've tried from that makeup area. This is the lip liner. This is, says Lip Twister in nude. There you go. That's pretty. It looks like a toffee brown. That's what it looks like. Not coming off true color. And then the lip gloss here. Altantis. I'll have to get the name. It looks like it's really iridescent. It's got pink shade too. They're really pretty. You could probably put that over whatever else. I know it's not coming off the true color, but it's like a light pink color. Maybe a little peach, but mainly pink. Like a light baby pink. I'm sorry, I have my light over here to my right, and it's... I'm going to get another light. Okay, so those are the swatches for that part. So let's get into this. This packaging, holy cow, it feels like it's what it... The packaging feels like it would cost more. Again, you get a mirror, and you also get another dual-ended brush like you do in those other... in those other eyeshadow palettes. I'm willing to bet... I'm just going to get it out. Okay. Same kind of dual-ended brush that, as I mentioned right there. They're still really good brushes. I really like this. Now, they had another shade, but I chose this one because those shades kind of went with the other ones that I already had hauled. But here are the shades. Aren't those pretty? And I touched this one. That one felt really pretty. Just really gorgeous colors. Oh my gosh. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to swatch a few. I'm sorry if you hear my stomach growling. I have not had breakfast yet. I always go for my right arm, but I forget my right arm has all my tattoos on here in the running out room. Here's what that looks like. Okay, that one's kind of it's right there. Let me go into that little pearly shade. It says Sea Fire. It feels like it's got beads in it, and it feels kind of creamy. Let's swatch it underneath my cow tattoo. That's definitely different. You can't really see it. It's like a light iridescent color. Okay, I'm going to try to swatch it in my lower hand. That's where I got most at. In case you're new to my channel, I'm a tattoo enthusiast. I love tattoos, and I have 4 on my right forearm and 2 on my left. I'm getting more, so. Okay. And also, let's try the brush, too. Try this one. Okay, I'm going to go in, probably with this, just doing the nude shades, too. I don't know if that's going to swatch right, but. Get them in there on my finger. Oh. I probably didn't go in there very good. Okay. I'm going to do a couple more and then we'll stop the video. I'm going to go in with that shade. I'll try to get to where I can see the names. I don't know. Let's see. Ooh. I was hoping some of the lighter shades. Now, I want to swatch the purples because that's the other reason why I bought this, because it had some purples in there I could probably work with, and I probably dug my finger in one of them. There's this one I really want to swatch. I'm going to swatch on this arm. Ooh, that's pretty. It looked like I had some purples that would work. Can't really see it. It's like a dark iridescent purple. This one is Immortal. Another pretty iridescent one. Let's see where I'll swatch it out. Ooh, that's got pink underneath. Ooh. Okay, you really can't see with my lighting. So, anyway, I'm going to just end the video here, and I will do a look with this eyeshadow palette and test out the brushes and let you guys know what to think about it, if it's worth the $10 or not. But I'm super excited to have this in my collection, and if you guys like this and want to see more videos, again, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends and family my videos and my channel. That helps me with getting my channel out. And also, I am on Instagram. I will try to remember to post a link down below. Thank you guys all so much for your support. I don't know if I mentioned this, but when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be having a giveaway to hit that milestone. So I'm hoping to get there by the end of the next month. But regardless, I still appreciate all your support and your love that you've shown me. This girl feels loved, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And as my husband says, we gone.